Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and there's something very exciting to show you. But first, I want to say, because I always forget to say that at the beginning of the video, I usually say that at the end, and sometimes it is missed by viewers, but I'm very happy you're all here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you are a die-hard subby for a long time, well, also welcome. I'm very happy you are all here watching my channel. Yeah, the exciting thing. Together with Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts, we did a collaboration kit again. It is bee themed. It had lots of botanical florals, yellow, greens, browns, 22 pages, and it's called Buzz into Spring. And I really like the name. Suzanne has her kit too, also 22 pages. She will do a review video on her channel. And normally when we do a collaboration together, we have joined in 4 other Facebook groups besides LineDotArrow. But yeah, Suzanne has her own Facebook group now. So we have 6 Facebook groups. So yay! So if you want to enter in the challenges, you have to become a member, well, at least of one of the Facebook groups. But if you want to increase your chance of winning, you have to become a member of more Facebook groups. The more the merrier, I would say. And you can post your makes in each Facebook group using the hashtag #BuzzIntoSpring. And I will explain more with the challenge freebies videos, and Suzanne will too, but it's basically posting something using the hashtag. If you use the freebies, your post is one entry, and a post can contain multiple pictures, but one post is one entry. So we're not counting the pictures, only the post. And if you use the freebies together with if you use the kit or one of the kits together with the freebies, your post is 2 entries. And your post can be like, if you make a tag using the kit, post it in LineDotArrow, you have 2 entries over there. If you post it in 2 Sister Gem, you have 2 entries over there, and so on. Because each Facebook group will do their own drawing. We have 6 drawings. Each Facebook group does their own separate drawing. So you can make one thing and enter in 6 groups and have 6 or 12 entries, depending on if you use the digital or one of the digitals, or if you use the freebies. Okay, enough with the talk. Let's show you the pages. Like I said, 22 pages. And I created this with the purpose that you could also do stamping, add inks. Like if you want to add blue, you can add blue. You can make this a blue and yellow journal if you want to. So I thought the base is going to be yellow, brownish, beige, and hints of red. And then you can add more color to it yourself. I thought that would be fun. You don't have to do that, of course, but you can do sewing over here, stamping, collaging. You can do a lot. You can also cut these up and make something else from them. These doesn't need to be journal pages. I also printed, I don't think it's even a difference. This is on presentation paper. This is thicker. Yeah, I don't think the difference is huge. I think this is slightly lighter of color. This is more brownish. This is a little bit lighter. But yeah. So for those of you who doubt if you need different paper, you can use different paper, of course. What I find is that if I set my printer on the highest settings and on photo print, and I use like photo paper, it's going to make everything extremely blurry. It's not going to make it more pretty. I can print on medium or low settings, And just on regular paper, even if I put in this paper, I still have my printer on regular and it comes out like this. I have an HP Envy 4500, an older model, and it's working like a charm. And I print a lot. Yeah, I see this is slightly brighter, more detailed, but not something that you say, oh yeah, you can really see the difference. But let's move on with the kit. I have a lot of a shade. One moment. Okay, maybe this is better. Yeah, now it's only over here. I had it on all sides. It was very annoying. It's very hard to see what is on the screen now because the light is also shining in my eyes. But yeah, this is another journal page. This is a ledger ring bound journal paper. A collage page. An open book. Ripped, torn, sewn, botanical bee page. And I really enjoyed making this kit. I have this one. Another collage. A writing page, ledger, and I like these. So cute. Okay, I have to say I run out of ink over here, so this is supposed to be a little bit more yellow, but yeah, you can see it's also a little bit pink over here. But I forgot to print this one again. I just put in my new ink and totally forgot to check this page, which is not very smart. And there's this. I think this is one of my favorite pages. Yeah, it absolutely is. I like everything on it. And like I said, I have hints of red. On each page there is something red. Well, almost each page. This is one of my favorite pages too. And I like this one, the ladybug. We call this a kapoentje in the Netherlands. Well, we do over here. Also another one of my favorite pages. Also love this one very, very much. Another collage page. And the collage pages, you can use them as journal pages or create text, but you can also cut out stuff to put on other things, of course, because you can reprint pages again. Another journal page. So very cute. And then we have the ephemera pieces. I have tags, little tickets. These are side tucks. So if you put these on a page, you can put something in. And I added a little journal card. There's an envelope, little stamps, wax seals. More little pieces, stamps, book plate, a tag, book plate. Yeah, little bits and bobs. Of course, I have the slanted pockets and also these. Larger and smaller tags. So you can make a trifold out of this, or you can layer this. Journal cards. Or tuck spot or pockets, and more tags. You can fold these in half so you have a front and a back side, or you can create 6 different tags. Besides the full color kit, we also made the whole kit in sepia and in black and white. Especially for those of you who don't have like an HP printing subscription or another brand, or don't have, can't print full color all the time, because 22 pages in full color and 2 kits is a lot. And then there's also the freebies. So we decided we put in a black and white and a sepia that saves on ink, and it's also fun to play with. And the freebies will also come in full color, also in sepia and also in black and white. So you can decide whether you want to have the full color or all or only one. It's up to you. I didn't print the whole kit. I just merged one half, because if you see, this half is black white and this is in sepia, so you can see, you can compare how it looks. And I printed a few in sepia and a few in black and white, so just so you can see how it looks in a different color scheme. But this is a sepia one, another sepia page, one of the collage pages. Then I have these tags, and over here I have the pockets. And then I also printed some of the pages in black and white. This is one of the collage pages, another one of the collage pages, and the envelope with the little pieces to play with. So you have a kind of a view on how it looks in sepia. And I do think even the black and white are so much fun to play with, because you can stamp on these. If you add colors, it will really pop. So these will be listed in our Etsy. In my Etsy, of course, this one and this one. Sorry, I was interrupted for a while. I was talking about the listing. The color one is just the single 22 pages, and that will be listed in a separate listing. And you really have to check to see the thumbnails. If you see the color one, you have the color kit, and if you see this one, you have the black and white and a sepia version. This will be a lot cheaper as a standard price in the shop. In both the shops, to be honest. And this one is also in the shop, but they will both also have a 25% discount. 25% off, 25% off, and it will be listed in both shops with the same discount. This will be slightly cheaper. This one is the normal price we usually have when we do a collab. And of course there will be freebies. And I'm just going to say the names of all the Facebook groups that are joining in. And I also have them linked down below this video. LineDotArrow, Nonstop Papercrafts, Sweet Pea Papers, Junk Journal Tutorials and more. 2 Sister Jam, Haystack Crafty Corner. Six Facebook groups. I will link them all down below. And if the link doesn't work on YouTube, it comes, sometimes they break the links. I don't know why. Then it works and suddenly it doesn't work. You just go to Facebook and search for Sweet Pea Papers or Haystack Crafty Corner. And if you can't find the link, please comment on the video and I will send the link in your comment. That's not an issue to do at all. Yeah, I think this is it. The first week challenge will start tomorrow. On the 3rd, we will do the first week challenge videos and showing you all the freebies. Okay, I had to sneeze, not a break. But we are showing the freebies tomorrow. Tomorrow it's Sunday. The first week challenge, and we are showing the freebies, the challenge freebies. Suzanne is doing that on her channel. My freebies will be in LineDotArrow, and on my Ko-fi page, her freebies will be in Nonstop Papercrafts and on her Ko-fi page. But we also created a freebie page for each week, for each challenge per Facebook group. So each Facebook group has their own unique freebie. And they all come in color, black and white and sepia. So in the first week you will receive, if you are in Haystack Crafty Corner, you have 3 freebies already. Yeah, sure, they are the same design, but in 3 colors. And that is also for Sweet Pea Papers, 2 Sister Jam, and Junk Journal Tutorials and more. Suzanne is also posting a freebie in all those groups. So if you are in one of those groups, you have 2 different freebies already in the first week. So at the end of the challenges, you have 6 in color, 6 in black and white, 6 in sepia. And then there's also the freebies I have in LineDotArrow per week, and Suzanne has also for each week. So I just checked, and if you only have my freebies at the end, you have a complete kit. Yeah, so just so you know, I do wish, I also wish you still purchase this kit, of course, but if you are not able to purchase the kit, play with the freebies, join in with the challenges, that's okay too. And also, if the the challenge is like, it's not going to be a challenge, but say that's making a hidden paperclip using the freebies, and you don't want to make a paperclip, but you want to use the freebies to make a beautiful tag, post it, use the hashtag, and you're entered anyway. So the challenges is just a guideline if you are not creative enough to think something of your own that day. But if you have like an explosion of ideas, go with that. Everything is fine as long as you use the hashtag when you post. The freebies is 1 entry, and if you use the kit or one of the kits with the freebies, it is 2 entries. And if you are confused by all of this, each Facebook group will have their event, and in the event everything is written down. And also, if you still don't get it, if it's too difficult, because I can understand there's a lot to process, ask in the Facebook groups. Everybody wants to join with helping. Everybody wants to help you out with the questions. There are people who are joining in because I think I'm doing this for about 2.5 years now, the challenges. I'm not sure. And together with Suzanne, I'm doing it for the 4th time. We have members that really know how it works. They can help you out too. So yeah, this is it for today. I hope you like the kits. I hope you like the video. Leave a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, maybe you want to be a subscriber. And yeah, maybe I can say hi and welcome in the Facebook group. And yeah, tomorrow we will do the first challenge video, and I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye. Bye.